everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel once again. In today's video I will be talking about a baby product, and that is called Babybrezza Formula Pro Advanced. This is a very useful product for the newborns, especially for parents who are having problems to feed breast milk or those who want to feed their baby formula. By its looks, anyone will feel that it's a coffee machine, but it is super convenient for any parents to make the formula milk in just one setup. Today I will be giving a review of this product and the pros and cons of it. I was suggested by one of my friends to buy this baby formula maker, and without knowing any details about it, I just bought this one, and it turns out really good for me. This Pro Advanced Formula Maker comes with some parts which you can dismantle easily and wash with any dishwashing soap. Just setting এর সময় খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যেন পার্টসগুলো কমপ্লিটলি ড্রাই থাকে, আদারওয়াইজ ফর্মুলা ক্লগড হয়ে ডিসপেন্সিং এ প্রবলেম হতে পারে। ডিসপেন্সার ফানেলটা এভরি 4 ফিডিং এ ক্লিন করতে হয়। এটার সাথে যে ম্যানুয়াল বুকটা থাকে সেটায় ইন ডিটেল পিকচার সহ সেটিংসের নিয়ম দেওয়া থাকে, অ্যান্ড খুব ইজিলি প্লেসমেন্ট করে নেওয়া যায় স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ ফলো করে। This formula maker is mostly compatible with any formula in the market. You can pour formula under the given margin and then close the lid. This will come in the display if you correctly closed it or not. The water tank in the back is very easy to pull out, and I usually use boiled water which is in room temperature to fill in. You can also dispense only water from this machine just by pressing this button. Then, according to the formula that you have used, you can set the amount of powder and amount of water. আমি এখানে 60 ml milk বানানোর জন্য 2 scoop powder set করে নিয়েছি, and then you press the make a button and the milk is ready to feed. Now if I say the pros, আমি বলবো it will save a lot of time from the hassle of boiling water and measuring formula, especially at night. The milk is ready just in one press, plus the model is very sleek and doesn't take much space of the kitchen. And if I talk about the cons, then I will say it's a bit pricey, which might not make someone consider to buy this one. You have to decide first Does this product bring any value to your life or not? I am really satisfied using this formula maker. That's why I felt to make a review of it. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please like and share, and to get more videos related to motherhood, please subscribe my channel.